Hello student, I am Sandeep Singh and today I am going to teach you the exercise of chapter 3 Weather and Climate. In this section we will mark the following sentences as true or false. You have to choose the correct sentence that is true or false. So let us start now. First statement is New Delhi had an equable climate. New Delhi has equable climate. Okay, this sentence is true or false. Think that and give me answer. That is, this sentence is false because Delhi is located on the northern part of India and it is far away from the equator line. So it is near about Tropic of Cancer. So here the sun shines directly on this region. So Delhi is hot in summer and very cold in winter. So it is not equal throughout the year. Okay. Now next sentence is Southern India does not Southern India does not have experienced snowfall because it lies near the sea. Okay, torrid zone. In torrid zone. So student, the southern part of India does not experience because it lies in the torrid zone. So this statement is true because torrid means it's a hot zone of the southern part of India. So here does not snowfall because snowfall occur from northern part of India, Himalayan region, and Himalayan region so high from the sea level that is it's a height of 400 meters that we find the snowfall. Okay, so southern part of India does not receive the snowfall. Third question is people travel to the hill during winter season. What is that? True or false? People travel to hill station during hill stations. People does not travel during winter because in winter there are very cold and very heavy snowfall in this region. So they do not travel to hill station. In summer season it has pleasant climate. So people travel to hill station like Nainital, Mussoorie, Dehradun and like so on hill station. So Next question, the polar region are cold because they receive direct rays of the sun. The polar region are cold because this region receive direct sun. Student, you have to all know that the polar region in southern part of the earth, North Pole and South Pole, they are far away from the sunlight. So it has the frigid zone called, and it has covered with snow throughout the year. So it is not direct sunlight here. So it is cold throughout the year. So it is this sentence is false. Okay. The next question is choose the correct answer. In this section, you have to give some option of the question and choose the correct answer. The first question is, this is not factor that influence the climate. Which factor is not influence that climate? First option is wind, altitude, angles of moon rays, and humidity. In this question, you have to given 4 options, and one option is incorrect, that is angles of moon rays is not influence that the climate, because the moon rays is very low and it is not effect on the sun. Okay, moon has also received the light from the earth, so it is not affected on the climate of the earth. So it is a incorrect answer. The second question is, in India, equable climate can be found. Where is equable climate found in India? That is Rajasthan, Delhi, Madhya Pradesh, and Odisha. Think that and tell me that what is the answer, correct answer. In this section, the Rajasthan is the correct answer, because Rajasthan received the direct sunlight from the sun and it has very hot throughout the year. Okay. Now next question is, when we sweat lot and feel hot and sticky, it means when we feel very hot and sticky. That is correct answer is the weather is humid. When humidity increase in atmosphere, we feel that very sweat and sticky. The next question is, the frigid zone between, where is frigid zone lies? We understand by this diagram, frigid zone. It is the model of the earth. Okay. And it is the equator 0 degree and Tropic of Cancer 23.5, Tropic of Capricorn 20.5 degree south, and Arctic Circle 66.5 degree south, and this is the North Pole. Okay, North Pole, and this is the 23.5 degree north Tropic of Cancer and 66.5 degree north is Arctic Circle, and this is the South Pole and this is North Pole. Okay, and the question is, the frigid zone lies between. We find that the frigid zone, where is the frigid zone lies? So look at this model and we find that the 66.5 degree north pole and south pole lies the frigid zone. Okay, both northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere 66.5 to between north pole and south pole lies the frigid zone. Okay, next question is northern hemisphere, the temperate zone lies between northern hemisphere. Where is temperate zone in northern hemisphere? So between 23.5 degree north and 66.5 degree north Arctic circle is lies the temperate zone. Okay, now that's all the student. In next video we will solve the question answer of this exercise. Thank you.